Hey, Stressless Champions, it's Cheryl Harris, your personal stressless expert, speaker, and wellness strategist of Profound Touch Mobile Spa. Thank you so much for stopping by my video blog today. It's been a while since we've connected with one another, and I appreciate you allowing me into your world today. Thank you so much. And listen, before I go into explaining to you why the purpose of this video is here, I got some very important news and exciting announcement that I want to share with you towards the end of the video. But before I do that, I have a few questions that I want to ask you, and I want you to be very honest with me. Most importantly, I want you to be more honest with yourself than it is with me. I'm going to ask you these questions here. Are you that person that always says yes to everyone else except you? Is that you? Are you the one that keep putting yourself on the back burner? Or are you that person that's pretty successful in the things that you're doing, but you can't seem to find balance? There's no balance there with you. Now, if any of these resonate with you, this video blog is especially for you. Now, you know what? We live in a fast-paced world where we're constantly on the go all the time. We're running errands. We have things to do for our husbands, our wives, our kids, our parents. We're caretakers. We're caregivers. We also are part of outside organizations where we have to give of our time and talent as well. And all of that's good, but you have to have balance and freedom in there somewhere in order for you to maintain a holistic, well lifestyle, correct? So here's what I want to share with you today. Over $300 billion was spent in stress-related claims alone. $300 billion were filed. And that's just from Americans. That's a lot of stressed out people. A lot of stressed out people. And you know what? I just want to say this one tip. Self-care is not about being selfish. Self-care is about taking care of yourself as well as you take care of others, because you're absolutely no good to anyone else if you're not taking care of yourself, if you're not intact, if your mind, your body, and spirit is not intact. So it's important that you recharge, you rejuvenate, and you reconnect with your mind, body, and spirit so that you'll be able to contribute back to the world, contribute back to the people that you're willing to help and willing to serve. So here's what I've designed for you. I'm super excited about this, and I hope you can join in with me. On Saturday, March 30th, 2013, from 12 to 3 p.m. right here in Chicago, I am having my very own stressless connection session called Mingle, Massage, and Meditation. I am super excited about this. Mingle, Massage, and Meditation. And let me tell you what you'll get with this session. You will learn how to discover your inner being. You will learn how to discover your inner peace. You'll learn the art and the benefits of meditation. You'll learn the simple techniques of massage and its benefits. You'll learn how to reconnect with your life. You'll learn how to establish spiritual alignment, spiritual peace, healing. There's going to be healing there. You'll also learn how to break free from all the things that are overwhelming and hindering you. But here's what I want you to understand. When we have this session, we're going to get to the core, the root cause of things that are causing you to have this hectic life and where you can't establish balance. Are you ready to join me with this? I'm super excited. I'm ready to give. I'm ready to share. I'm ready to connect with like-minded individuals who are willing to reach that wellness goal together. If you are wanting to be a part of this, join me on Saturday, March 30th from 12 to 3 p.m. right here in Chicago for a Mingle, Massage, and Meditation Stressless Connection session. Be sure to share the video. I want you to come with an open heart, an open mind, and be ready to receive. I will see you on the other side, champions. Take care. Bye-bye.